Hey everybody, this is our Sats again. This is what I was working on yesterday. This is my drill press modification. I made a video earlier featuring my template. What this is an alternate method that I came up with to try and make the hole fast without having to measure anything or mark anything. All that would need to be measured is the first 0.75 mark from the end of the stick. So let me grab. I don't have any conveniently short pieces on me, but here. This was the old backstop for the table saw, what I was using in the last video to make sure that everything was 1.5 inch from the bit. What I've done now is I've affixed this and lined it up with the back and the side over here, so it has at least two straight edges that are lined up. The bit goes into the hole, and what I intend to do is drill the hole, move it down, and then use a screw that is 5/16 inch in diameter and use it to secure it in place for the drilling of the next hole. Now, for whatever reason yesterday I did a test piece and it didn't work properly. The holes weren't lined up and they weren't exactly 0.75 inches from the edge. My theory is that sawdust fell from the drill bit in between the wood and the backstop here, giving it a little bit of a bump and making an uneven line of holes. I took my combination square and tried to see whether or not it was completely accurate, and it does seem to work fine. So I'm not quite sure why it's not cooperating with me. Oh, wait a minute now. That could explain something. Whenever I put the combination square up against the side, the actual bottom of the press, it wasn't even. It's off a little. That might explain some things. Well, anyway, now that I have that, this is a work in progress. If I can get it to work properly, hopefully I'll be able to not have to measure anything, but apparently it needs some modification. So, yeah. I'll get back to you on this, guys.